I could use my blender bottle for that. Kitchen deals for you. Hey kitchen innovators, do you have a blender bottle sitting in your cabinet that only gets used for protein shakes? What if I told you that simple bottle with the wire whisk ball is actually one of the most versatile tools in your kitchen, and you've been massively underusing it? Today we're revealing the mind-blowing hacks that will make you look at your blender bottle in a completely different way. Trust me, some of these uses will absolutely shock you. But seriously, how can one simple bottle with a metal ball be so versatile? That wire whisk ball isn't just for protein powder. It's actually a brilliant agitation device that can mix, emulsify, and blend ingredients in ways you never imagined. Here's what most people don't realize. The combination of the sealed container, the whisk ball, and vigorous shaking creates a mini mixing powerhouse that can replace several kitchen appliances. So, what are these game-changing uses? Let's count them down. Hack 1. Perfect pancake batter. Ever struggle with lumpy pancake batter? Toss your dry ingredients in the blender bottle, add wet ingredients, and shake for 30 seconds. The result? Perfectly smooth, lump-free batter every single time. Plus, you can pour directly from the bottle for perfectly round pancakes. Why didn't anyone tell us this sooner? Hack 2. Instant whipped cream. This one will absolutely shock you. Add heavy cream and a tablespoon of powdered sugar to your blender bottle and shake vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll have fresh whipped cream without any electric mixers. The whisk ball creates the perfect agitation to incorporate air. Hack 3. Foolproof salad dressings. Making vinaigrettes has never been easier. Add oil, vinegar, mustard, and seasonings to your blender bottle and shake. The whisk ball emulsifies everything perfectly, creating restaurant-quality dressings that stay mixed longer than traditional whisked versions. Hack 4. Perfect scrambled eggs. Want the fluffiest scrambled eggs ever? Crack eggs into your blender bottle, add a splash of milk, shake vigorously for 30 seconds, then pour into your pan. The whisk ball incorporates air beautifully, creating incredibly light and fluffy scrambled eggs. Hack 5. Instant butter. Here's a hack that seems like magic. Add heavy cream to your blender bottle, fill it about 1/3 full, and shake vigorously for 8 to 10 minutes. You'll literally watch cream transform into butter and buttermilk. Who knew you could churn butter in a blender bottle? Hack 6. Marinade Master. Turn your blender bottle into the ultimate marinade maker. Add oil, acids like lemon juice, and spices, then shake to combine. The sealed environment makes it perfect for marinating meats. Just add your protein, shake to coat, and let it sit. But wait, there's more. Here are 3 bonus hacks. Bonus hack 1. Cocktail shaker. Your blender bottle makes an excellent cocktail shaker. The whisk ball helps mix drinks thoroughly, and the measurement markings help with precise recipes. Bonus hack 2. Breadcrumb maker. Need breadcrumbs quickly? Toss stale bread pieces in your blender bottle and shake vigorously. The whisk ball breaks down the bread into perfect crumbs without needing a food processor. Bonus hack 3. Soup on the go. Make instant soups by adding hot broth, cooked vegetables, and seasonings. The whisk ball helps distribute flavors evenly, perfect for office lunches. Now, here are 3 pro tips to maximize your blender bottle potential. Pro tip 1. Fill the bottle no more than 2/3 full to allow proper agitation space. This prevents overflow and ensures optimal mixing. Pro tip 2. For whipped cream and butter making, use cold ingredients and even pre-chill your bottle in the freezer for 10 minutes. Pro tip 3. Clean immediately after use. Add warm, soapy water and shake. The whisk ball helps clean the bottle from the inside. The versatility doesn't stop there. Use your blender bottle for mixing meatloaf ingredients, creating smooth muffin batters, making overnight oats, and preparing custom spice blends. So what's the verdict? It's honestly one of the most underrated tools in any kitchen. For less than $15, you get a mixing bowl, whisk, measuring cup, and storage container all in one compact package. Have you tried any of these blender bottle hacks? What's the most surprising use you've discovered? Drop a comment below with your creative ideas. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden potential of your blender bottle, smash that like button, subscribe for more surprising kitchen hacks, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, this is Kitchen Deals for You, where we help you discover the hidden potential in everyday kitchen tools.